Okay, how to get free stuff on Amazon. I'm looking for some clothes for the fall. You go to Viral View. You go to Product View after you've done a search. I'm searching for men's sweatsuit zip ups. Now over here you got the viral score over there. Now this is Creative Connections. Uh, it's going to show you the viral score. Is going to show you which ones are in Creative Connections. And you go to Creative Connections. It's going to bring you right over. You're going to go to the message board over here on the right, right? And I have pre-done messages over here. The Viral View gives you that. So a cold message telling who I am, how good I am, and everything. And I can do my social medias and all that kind of stuff, and I send them this message to get a free sample, right? And they're going to say continue because I'm sending personal information, right? So you just keep scrolling, and anything that's a creative connection, you need new clothes for the fall, you need a new thing for the kitchen, you need a new coffee maker, you need a new tire for the car. You search it, you go to Product View, right? Well, we're doing fall clothes, and I'm going to do this one. This one's in Creative Connections. You go up here and you look, and you just send them a message. I've already sent them a message. I'm going to send them a cold message here, let them know I want to promote their product if they want to send me a free sample, and then continue after sending personal information. And we keep going. Now we're going to change it. Let's look for something else. Let's look for a crew neck, right? So a crew neck. And so then you go up to the bar, you get the Viral View drop down, and you go to Product View, and it's going to sort everything by product, priority, viral score, and the green on the Creative Connections means they're in Creative Connections, and they're in for the extra 10% commissions. Creative Connections is going to give you extra commissions, and you apply to all of these Creative Connections with the messages, and you use Viral View to automate the whole thing and make it go so fast, like I'm doing cold message. Boom, there's the message. Don't have to type it. It's already there. Hit send, and we're all set, right? And in this message, I'm talking myself up, telling them how great of an influencer I am. Okay, and then you just keep going back. What else do I want? Right, and then they're going to answer you. Those red dots are answers. We're going to check it out at the end, see how many people answer. So we just keep going through the Creative Connections and apply, and they're going to send me a whole new wardrobe for the fall after I'm done. If more cold messages, send it. If personal information is okay, and then go back and do it again. Right? We're going to search for something else. Let's search for a light jacket. We're going to need a light jacket as well, right? So a casual jacket, and you just go up there to the Viral View drop down, right? Your extension, and you go to Product View, like I said, and then right there, it's going to tell you the viral score. It's going to tell you which ones are Creative Connections, and you just apply for free samples. This is how you get free stuff on Amazon. All right, free stuff on Amazon, so you can make review, and you're going to get 10% commissions on most of these things. These ones are 12% and 10% extra commissions for sales on the videos that you make. You upload them to YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Amazon. And you just hit the message button, and then you go to your Viral View template messages, and you just go, I have the cold message that I send, right? Then there's other ways to use Viral View. This is just one way. A Viral View has like 6 or 7 different things you can do to make money on the Amazon Influencer Program, and it's incredible software. We just keep searching for stuff. I'm gonna need some shoes. So we'll get some casual shoes, and see if they have any casual shoes in Viral View in Creative Connections. Right? If you're not taking advantage of Creative Connections, you're really missing the boat. I made an extra $700 last month on videos I've already made by just applying to the Creative Connections through Viral View, because they can automatically do it for you. Now, all of these shoes, okay, now up top you see the ones for 79 in viral score, right? If you want to buy a pair, that'd be a good pair to buy and do a review on. But we're going to go to the Creative Connections because I want free samples. I want free samples of stuff that I'm going to use, because that's the easiest way to make videos. If it's stuff you're going to use every day in your everyday life, you're going to easily be able to do the free video for them and then get the 10-12% commissions on top of everything. Use the cold message like we've been doing, and just keep on going. Scroll through any shoes that you want that's in the green. You go ahead and apply message. You don't even have to copy the campaigns and apply to the campaigns, because Viral View automatically does it for you. And I have other videos if you want to see it. And now here's the messages. Let's see who messaged me back. Look at all the replies I got. all the replies I got. Now we're going to go through them and see, how many want more information. Some of them are going to want to know my other social. Some are going to want to know my sales percentage for the month. Some of them are going to want to know all that kind of data. But a lot of them are just going to send you stuff. And this one already sent me this product here, right? So it's sent. They've said it's on the way, and all I got to do is say thank you, and I have a template. One of the template messages to say thank you, right? This one here says, uh, I'm so glad to receive your message. They want to work with me, right? So check that out. They want to cooperate with me. So this is the answers you're getting from these messages. So people who tell you that they don't send samples and creative connections, they're full of malarkey. All right, I'm getting stuff every day, and as long as you're applying for stuff that you already are using or going to use, they're easy videos to make, right? You don't have to worry about setting up crazy stuff, right? So a cold message, and you say thank you. Which one is this one? Right, and just go through them all. You just go through them all, and I'm not going to go through them all right now, but you get what I'm saying, right? So, and that's the way it is. Get Viral Vue.